Oh, don't give me that look. You only have yourself to blame. Oh, you saw that. Probably think I'm talking to this pig. And, well, fair, because that's what I'm doing. But I have a perfectly good explanation. You see, this pig is my brother, and I desperately need to give him a bath. Don't be fooled by his porkish appearance. Dietlow typically has the same perfect scales as I do, but today, he decided to poke around these ruins and irked the local Nereid, Sister of Pools. I guess she felt becoming a pig was a fair punishment. My thought is, Sister of Pools might see Dietlow bathing in her waters and consider it an act of humility. Then maybe she'd turn him back. I can't return to those ruins by myself. Way too dangerous. I have some gold, if you're willing to help. I appreciate the help. You don't know how many people walk right on by when they see an Argonian talking to a pig. I'm not sure if bathing Dietlow will work, but how else do you apologize to a water spirit? Let's go inside before he digs up more grubs. My stupid brother aspires to be a musician. He heard that the best frogs live in these ruins, and he couldn't wait to catch a few for his Vosa saddle. Who knew the Nereid was protective over a bunch of frogs? What's a Vosa saddle? Only the finest musical instrument ever devised. We Argonians love them. Frogs fill the instrument's many cavities, creating unique sounds through the attached horns. The happier the frogs, the better the music. I saw him transform with my own eyes. It was horrible. His scales turned into bristly hair, he grew a snout, and little pig ears. Sister of Pools was just furious, especially after Dietlow frightened the frogs and they all hopped away. My brother left a note, told me what he planned to do and where he planned to do it. I arrived too late to stop him, but I was just in time to see the angry Nereid curse him and change him into a walking ham. I guess she didn't notice me. Not much, really. The place is filled with all kinds of wild and dangerous creatures, like Sister of Pools, the Nereid who cursed my stupid brother. Look, if you want to explore the ruins, go ahead, but could you help me restore Dietlow first? There are multiple pools scattered throughout the ruins. I suggest we bathe Dietlow in 3 different pools.
You dare return, little pig,
he's sorry.
to frighten more of my beloved frogs? Very well. What happens next is on your head.
pool looks humble and inviting. Get in there and scrub my brother. Oh, great water spirit. See how my brother grovels. Can you remove his porkish nature now? Please?
You call this humble? If a pig doesn't suit him, how about a fowl?
All right, Dietlo. This pool looks appropriately remorseful. Go ahead and... Oh, powerful Nereid, hear our sorrow. Make Dietlo no longer a chicken. Please.
Is that a look of remorse? I think not. But if a chicken isn't to your liking, how about a tiny lizard?
Honestly, Sister of Pools is really starting to annoy me. At least Diet's got scales again, but I can't take him home like this. Let's find one more pool and see if that works. If not, well, I can at least tell our egg mother I tried. Come on, Water Lady. We're sorry already. Please, change my brother back.
This frog frightener muddies my pools and thinks that will earn my forgiveness. After he scared away my beloved croakers. Never.
Well, crispy cricket legs. I really thought this would work. My brother's doomed to remain a... whatever that is. Wait a moment. Zooth! Dietlo's doomed unless... All Sister of Pools cares about are the frogs that were scared away. So maybe, if Dietlo sings a soothing song at the frog pool, it will calm the frightened frogs, and they'll return to the pool. If that happens, the Nereid is sure to forgive him. The frog pool. It's a bit farther into the ruins. It's where I saw a Sister of Pools change my brother into a pig. When we get there, splash some water on Dietlo until he starts singing. This has to work. The frog pool! That's where the Nereid first transformed my brother. It's a bit farther into the ruins. Once Dietlo starts singing, the other frogs are sure to join in. That should appease Sister of Pools. This is the place. Just splash some water on Dietlo. He always sings in the bath.
My beautiful frogs, they've come home. Such beautiful music. What a lovely gift. Sister of Pools forgives you, Dietlo. Be yourself once more. My frogs will sing your song for ages to come.
Dietlo's himself again. Let's get out of here before the Nereid changes her mind and turns him into a torch bug or something. No more frogs, brother. Time to find a different instrument, I think.
I'm kind of beat after all that. You should talk to my sister.
Thank you for helping me get my brother back. I have to admit, he does have talent, but I need to get him to take up an instrument that requires fewer live animals. Our egg mother would be devastated if he came home as a bantam guar. Oh, right, of course. Dietlow would still be digging up grubs if not for you. You deserve this. Not many strangers would stop to help an Argonian who talks to pigs. Thanks again. You know, come to think of it, I missed out on a golden opportunity while my stupid brother was a pig. I've heard they can sniff out rare mushrooms with their snouts. I should have had him find me some before we changed him back. Oh well. Well, seeing how my brother actually does have some musical talent, maybe I'll serve as his agent. Get him some work in Gideon, or maybe even Leowin. But I think we'll start him off as a singer. I want to keep him away from frogs for a while.
Thanks for helping remove that curse. I never want to lose my beautiful scales again. Nonsense. I never felt better. I have a feeling my musical career is going to take off now. Thanks again.
You know, come to think of it,